So this is going to be our movement for the day on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So first and foremost, right, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and that's it. Make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update. And also make sure you follow the Telegram, right, and click on the bell notification once you subscribe. Now, if you zoom it out right here, and you see the trend on New Zealand dollar JPY, you will see that we are in an uptrend move. Market is clearly trending to the upside. As we are having a series of higher and higher. Now take a look at this movement, guys. This is the impulsive move. Then here comes the exhaustion. It is the corrective wave. Then the impulsive move, and here comes the corrective phase. Now this is the impulsive move, and here comes the corrective phase, right? Now we've gotten another impulsive move, and this is the corrective phase right here. Now this is also another impulsive move, and here comes the corrective phase, right? Now our next movement on the dollar JPY will be another impulsive move. That is to tell you that a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting next on our New Zealand JPY. So New Zealand dollar JPY will was that bullish move. So it is able to take out this high. So more movement to the upside is what we are going to be expecting on New Zealand dollar. So on this New Zealand dollar JPY, we should be expecting a rejection from this zone, thereby market pushing up. So guys, whatever you want to be doing on New Zealand dollar JPY for the day, go in for the day. So take your buy and hold position. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So in order for you not to miss out on your updates, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section.